What's the meaning of avoidable? Avoidable. Avoidable.
Avoidable. Avoidable. The word avoidable means capable of being avoided, prevented or circumvented. It refers to a situation or event that could have been prevented had the necessary actions been taken. Something that is avoidable can be a mistake, error or accident that could have been foreseen and prevented with proper care and attention. Avoidable situations carry a sense of responsibility and blame. They highlight a failure, lack of preparation, or negligence on the part of a person or organization. By taking proactive steps, individuals and organizations can prevent avoidable situations and minimize the potential negative consequences.